everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 13th to the 15th of April 2026 on Monday. Shwabi is caught between a rock and a hard place. The village women pay for his blood. Zetu's demand takes everything from Zenzo sending him to bleed for guidance. Malanga fools Makhumalo with a fake illness on Tuesday. Shwabi faces the consequences of his violent ways, and Manggobo's secret comes to light, igniting chaos within the community. As accusations of infidelity divide opinions about who's right and wrong, and Malanga fights to reclaim her innocence on Wednesday. Shwabi's confidence gives way to a painful honesty as he confronted the trauma that shaped him. Meanwhile, Magumede humbled herself before Mashabalala and Nomalanga breathes a sign of relief when Makhumalo gives her a break. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your point below and share your opinion. Bye.